What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, and you guys are in for a treat. As you can see on screen, we're doing an unboxing of my new Xbox Series X. This is the Forza Horizon 5 bundle, and as we take a little look here at the features that you get with the Xbox Series X, and we'll take a little look around the box before we do bust into this thing. Now, previously on my channel, if you would like to see it after, of course, you're done watching this video, I did an unboxing of the Xbox Series S, and you can see a difference between both machines. Obviously, the Series S is a lot smaller than the Series X. As I did unbox this machine, I just couldn't believe how much bigger it was compared to its little counterpart, its little brother, the Series S, and everything like that. I also would like to just say that I do apologize, but I had to film this because the box was so big. I had to film this with one hand and then open it with the other, which, as you'll see as the video goes on, does prove to be a little bit of an issue. So you will see a few little jump cuts to where I finally got things kind of rolling a little bit easier. But yeah, and my tripod, I couldn't find my tripod and all that stuff. And I just wanted to get this unboxing, filmed and done so I could open my new Xbox and play it. So now we got that little slip off, and we'll just kind of look around the regular box now. There's little tabs here that we can pull to get the Xbox open. And at the time, while I was doing this, there's two tabs, one on the left and one on the right. So I'm gonna get my handy dandy unboxing knife here to get this baby open. And yep, got to get the two little ones there on the side, which I believe I already got those. But yeah, let's open this thing up. I'm jibber jabbering and just talking away and everything, and I want to get this thing open. See, I'm realizing at the time as I'm watching this back, in case you didn't know, this is not live footage of me unboxing it. This is after the fact. And look, we finally made it into the Xbox Series X. Power your dreams. Now, isn't that kind of a catchy little phrase from Xbox? Now, you can see I'm trying to lift this sucker out of here with one hand, mind you, and I am having trouble because this Xbox Series X probably weighs about, 10 pounds, and it is huge, as you can see right here. And it was just very difficult for me to grab with one hand to even get out of there. So that's why you've seen the little cut in the video, just so I could get it out of the box. And I decided to just rip off the paper there that was covering it up, just so we could actually get a good look at it. And here's the little door, little opening here with the accessories and paperwork. Get our power cord and our super high-speed HDMI cable, as well as our remote control. And that's about it, besides the paperwork that, nobody actually looks at and nobody cares about the paperwork. I'm looking for the AA batteries, thinking that they forgot them, not realizing that they're in the little bag with the remote control. So that's what all that thumbing around was for that. And now I'm just trying to get the box out of the way. And yeah, let's go ahead and just get this open. And we'll open up the controller here, and I'll just, like I said, this was a challenge, doing this all with one hand and holding the camera with my left hand and trying not to be so shaky. So I hope I held it somewhat calmly and still, you know, so you guys don't get like motion sick. But we got the AA batteries inside this little paper little piece there that I'm trying to rip open. Right now you guys can't see it. There we go. There are the two AA batteries, fresh, brand new AA batteries, and the controller. And there we go. That's the final pieces right there, all laid out nice. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and feel free to like the video, comment below, and I will see you guys next time for whatever I'm unboxing in the future. And you guys take it easy and have a good one. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Peace. I'm out of here.